Yeah, hi, my name is Brian Ruppel. I am the owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary here in Orlando. How I got involved with OsteoStrong was I've been in the wealth management space for 24 years, and I have seen the aging of clients over the past 2 decades plus in my family's firm. My parents were 73 at the time when I first got introduced to OsteoStrong. I was at a Tony Robbins event. I heard Tony, I heard our president, Kyle Zagrowski, come out and talk about this technology for our bodies. And my family has always been around the biohacking space. We're always looking for natural alternative ways to optimize our health. That was introduced by my mom for 30, 40 years of my life. And when I got introduced to OsteoStrong and I heard about being able to develop the skeletal system and what that meant as we age in life, first 2 people I thought of were my mom and dad. And I thought, wow, if they can age with a stronger infrastructure, skeletal system that can prevent them from falling, increase their balance, and just allow them to live a healthier, stronger life, I want to know more about this. So I went out and explored OsteoStrong, did my due diligence, looked around the country about what OsteoStrong was, and I made the investment into this company. The second part of it was looking at my clients, because your health is your wealth. Meaning, what would it be like to show up at age 80, 90, if you were blessed to live that long, and you had all the money, but you had poor health? You were on drugs, medication. Every time you stood up out of a chair, your body hurt. You had all the money, but you had poor health. That would not be optimal. Or what if you had the greatest health, but you lacked the resources to experience life? That's not optimal either. Your health and your wealth go together. Just like we're looking to build our wealth for our future, you have to be making the same investment into your body from a health standpoint, because as you age, you want to experience and live life. That's with your family, that's traveling, that's getting all the greatness out of life, squeezing the juice out of it. And we want our bodies and our members' bodies to be able to perform at the optimal level. That's why I got into OsteoStrong. When I heard this story, I never heard of a biohacking instrument like OsteoStrong that worked at the core of our infrastructure, and that's at our bone, the skeletal system that holds all this frame together. And that's what OsteoStrong did. It helped for me personally, for my parents, for many of our members to change their lifestyles around, for them to actually live life the way they want to. I'm Brian Ruppel, and I'm the proud owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary.